Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys already know that we are solving one question daily on this LeetCode platform. So we have earned the badge for Feb month, then we have earned the badge for March month, then later on we have earned the badge for April month as well. And now we are going to start with solving one question daily for this May month. Okay, so today I am going to solve day one problem of this month on LeetCode. So before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 2000, reverse prefix of word. Okay, so this is a easy level problem according to LeetCode. So in this problem we have given one zero index string word and a character ch. Okay, so this is a string word given to us and this is one character given to us. Okay, so we have to reverse the segment of word that starts at index 0 and ends at the index of the first occurrence of the character inclusive. Okay, so this character d is given to us. Okay, so we are going to start from 0th index and we are going to find the first position of this d. Okay, so this is the first position of d in this word string. Okay, so from this position, okay, we have to reverse the string. So if I'm going to reverse the string from this position, then my string is going to look like D, then C, B, A. Okay, so see, string is D, C, B, A, right? And in the end, we have to just add the remaining characters. So see, here we have added the remaining characters as it is, right? E, F, D. Okay, so I'm going to write the same code. Okay, similar story that I have explained now. Okay, so first what we are going to do, okay, so to solve this problem I'm going to use the string builder, and string builder you guys are already aware of, right? So in string builder we can easily add the characters in our string. Okay, so I'm going to create one string builder sb, new string builder. Okay, this is done. We have created one string builder, right? And after that we have to calculate the first index of this character d in our word string. Okay, so let's first calculate the total length of my string. So word is my string. Okay, so this is the formula which help us in calculating the total length. Okay, int n is equal to word dot length. Okay, and then after that I have to find the index of this d, right? So int index. Okay, let's say I'm starting from this index 0. Okay, I'm going to search for the index starting from this 0 position. Okay, then run one loop. Okay, I'm going to run one loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, and here in this I'm going to search for the particular character. Okay, so for that, if this is my string word char at the particular index I, if this is equal to my character ch, then in that case I am going to update my index as I, and from here I have to just break. Okay, break the loop. Okay, since I have to just find the first index. Okay, first position where my d is there in my word string. Okay, so this is done. So I have found the index of this d. Okay, so after finding the index of d, I have to run one loop to reverse the characters. Okay, from d to a I need to print, right? So for int I is equal to index. Okay, so this index is inclusive. Okay, so we are starting from this index itself. So I is equal to index, I is greater than equal to 0, and then I minus minus, and here simple formula sb dot append my string name word dot char at particular index I. Okay, this is done. Then after that, after printing these characters, okay, this string d c b a, then I have to add the remaining characters in the string build as it is, right? E f d. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to again run one loop for int I is equal to index plus 1 this time, right? Because I'm going to start from this e, right? And I is less than n, I plus plus, and inside this we have to just add the remaining characters of the word in our string builder. Okay, so this is done. Then in the end we have to just return our string builder. Okay, string builder string. So to string, let me change it to string. This is done. Now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So see, all the test cases has been accepted. Now let me submit it one time. Okay, so see, our solution is accepted, right? And it beats 100% of users with Java, right? So see here, what is the time complexity for this? Okay, so first we are running this loop. Okay, so we are iterating over each character in our word string. Okay, so in worst case, let's say the character which I'm searching for is at the end index. Okay, so I'm going to iterate over each character in my word string in that case, right? So this is going to take O of n. Okay, O of n time complexity. Okay, and then here also I am appending the characters in my string builder one by one. Okay, so this is also going to take of n time complexity. Okay, in the worst case scenario, and from here also I am iterating over all the elements. Okay, in the worst case scenario, so here also my time complexity is going to be O of n, right? So in total I can say my time complexity is O of n plus O of n plus O of n, that is O of 3n, and that simply means O of n. So the time complexity for this solution is O of n. Okay, and since we are using string builder here, so I can say my space complexity is also O of n. Okay, and this is just O of 1 time complexity for n is greater dot length. Okay, so this is O of 1 space only. Okay, this is O of 1 space only, O of 1 space, and this is taking O of 1 time complexity, of constant time complexity, right? Constant time complexity. So I hope that you guys are clear with today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing, and don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, brothers, sisters, right? And meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.